Well. Another day, another trading opportunity, and another loss. So, yeah, I lost around 1.5% today as I have started risking 1.5% on my accounts. Uh, yeah, let's have trade recap. And I lost today. Probably shouldn't have taken any kind of trade because we had this guy, Fetcher Paul speaking today. But that was later into the day. So I thought they are good to go if my confidence is get hit. So, and that's what happened. And I took the trade. Uh, I lost, and there's only one stuff we can do now to learn what we did wrong today. Uh, yeah, let's have trade recap. Like coming into the day, we did had also these news. You guys can see PPI and unemployment claim, uh, which was. Let me just remove this first. Sorry, these signals never got hit. So this over here, this candle is the news candle. As you guys can see, it came already, took out like these low, these hourly low, fell into this fair value gap and fell into this fair value gap also, and fell into this hourly order block. From there, I was like, bet I'm gonna look for long if I see any kind of setup because I want to see, uh, sorry, this was 30-minute fair value gap, sorry. You guys can see like this hourly got taken out, fell into this fair value gap, and then this hourly order block over here. From there, I was like, bet I'm gonna take a long. I want to see like this hourly high to get taken out, this high to at least get taken out, and I was bullish for the day. And this 4 hourly high that we had over here, uh, since news had came and fell into this majority of this order block and fair value gap. From there, uh, if we go on a lower time frame, you guys can see market open, price came lower, even took out uh, these daily low. Sorry, not daily low, bro. What's happening with me? This hourly low, you guys can see, and then it came took out these hourly lows also. But it did not take out these hourly low. This was down here, and I thought like there's no way it wants to come at least also take out these low. And from there, once we took out these low, I was like, bet now I'm gonna go and look for long if I see my setup. And I got the setup to be honest with you guys. Um, Let me just remove this. Now these might just go in all the way up here after now we took out like these hourly low in here. But yeah, let's get back in. So from there, as you guys can see, uh, once this low was taken out, you guys can see we see buy pressure to the upside. We broke 1 minute structure to the upside, and then from there I was like, bet I'm gonna go and look for long. I was just looking for my third confluences to get hit, as my second was 1 minute break of structure to the upside. From there, we had this fair value gap within here. You guys can see price came fell into that, closed below that, but from there I was like, bet it has closed just below there. This could be still a valid fair value gap. And then we had the 1 minute order block over here. You guys can see a leg down before market going up, and I was like, bet I'm gonna take these. Let's see if we're gonna see any kind of reaction based on that. And as you guys can see, we did see a reaction from there. As you guys can see, we see a bit buy pressure out of it. I took long based on this candle when this was pushing a bit higher. Then my stop loss was just below this low. And as you guys can see, we were in profit a bit, but from there comes all the way, stops us out. When it comes to my take profits, I had only two take profit. One was at this high over here. The top of this 5 minute fair value gap. My second take profit was just this high. That was the final take profit, as you guys can see. But yeah, that was the trade for today. I think it was a clean setup. What we could have done better today was just like maybe completely ignore trading, such as like we had high impact news, like we had unemployment claims, PPI, and Paul is speaking later into the day, and I was like, the best choice would have been like not taking any kind of trade. But still, there's a big chance that it wants to go and play out as we wanted. The chances of these going and hitting our take profit is very high right now. Uh, but yeah, something else that I could have done better was that I should have been looking for inverse fair value gap. Like we would have got that if I took the trade based on inverse fair value gap, I would have taken the trade based on these. Like as you guys can see, boom, inverse fair value gap, and then I would have gone long over maybe like here. We see a bit buy pressure. Stop loss below here, and I would have been stopped out completely. Um, but yeah, something that else that I could have done better, maybe look for SMT. Like there's no SMT as of now. I can't see any. Nothing. So yeah, uh, going in for S&P X 500. Let me just remove that. There was the same, like you guys can see before market open, news came, like fill into this hourly fair value gap, fill into this fair value gap. From here, I was looking for long also, and then when you when market opens, you guys can see we came to got this hourly low and this hourly low down here, and then I was bet what price wants to go higher, and then from there you guys can see we see a buy pressure out of it. Then I completely ignore S&P 500 since I prefer to take my trades on Nasdaq. But yeah, um, that was the trade for today, and I lost 1.5% on my funded account and a challenge that I have. See you guys maybe tomorrow if I take any trade.